So my name is Caitlin and I do the Level 3 Childcare and Education course. And I love the diversity in this course. I love the breadth of different subjects we cover, from like safeguarding to the SEN section. There's such a breadth of different things that we cover, and the placement is great that we get to go out and actually have experience in the industry. Our classroom space here at Lewes I actually love. So we're in what used to be the old nursery, and it's just a lovely space to be in. It's very relaxed, it's a nice environment. You feel very chilled out when you come in. You don't feel like this high intensity of pressure being like in a lecture hall or whatever. Being able to drive into college and know that I can park my car somewhere without having to pay for it is great, because as a student we don't have lots and lots of time to go out and work and earn so much money, and having that knowledge that I can bring my car in and I don't have to pay for me to park it in a car, and it's the easiest way for me to get here, that's really useful, and it kind of takes stress off of me having to go out and earn extra money to pay for me to park my car at college, so that's good. So I would like to eventually go on and teach in SEN, so I absolutely love working in special needs. I've done lots of volunteering work and stuff, so I know that that's what I like to do. To do that, I am hoping to go to university after college and do either a primary teacher degree or a degree in special educational needs and disability, and hopefully that will take me to where I need to be to become a teacher and teach in SEN. I love Lewes College and East Sussex College as a group, because when I walk in every day I feel so relaxed. I don't ever feel like I'm coming into college stressed and uptight. It's such a nice place to be in and work and learn. I think the courses are carried out so well. We've got such an in-depth knowledge now just from our first year of childcare and education, everything. I just think it's great. Our tutors are amazing. It's a lovely space to work. We've got a great group. It's a nice sized group. It's not too big, it's not too small. So yeah, it's a lovely place to come and study, definitely.